Hi, my name is Paul, and today we are going to do Excel basics. And basics really is addition and subtraction. We're going to start with addition and subtraction. The next video will be multiplication and division, and then after that we will expand it out into other things. But let us do addition and subtraction today. Let us look at how to use Excel to add numbers. And the numbers we're going to add, let's keep it simple. Let's keep this. So we've got numbers here, and we will have a 4 and we'll add it to a 6. Okay, and then the next number we'll look at is maybe 4.5 and 5.3, and then the next one after that, let's go to 143.6.4 and 275.34. There we go. So these are the numbers we're going to play with. Okay, let us see. So what we're going to do is add 4 plus 6. Well, if we're adding 4 plus 6, we need to make it into an equation. So the first thing that we have to do to calculate anything in Excel is use the equal sign. So we have here, in preparation, we're going to have equals, and we're going to equals 4, which is A, column A, row 2, 4, plus 6, and 6 is column B, row 2. So we have equals 4 plus 6, or equals A2 plus B2, and you can see that in the formula bar. Okay, to complete this, all we have to do is do a carriage return, and there we go. 4 plus 6 equals 10. That was so easy. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Let's go a little bit more complex, but again, the first thing, equal sign, and we have to add 4.5, which is column A, row 3, and we add it to 5.3, and then we do a carriage return, and there it is. Excel does all the work for you. So Excel is simple. Are you getting the gist? So let's try complex one, okay? Again, equals 143.4 plus 275.34, B4. Carriage return, and there's the answer. So it is, and you can see in the formula bar, A4 plus B4. A4 plus B4 equals that. That is so simple. Let us look at subtraction. So what we're going to do now is look at subtraction. It's exactly the same. We're going to pop that in the middle, make it look neater. That's it, okay? Subtraction is the same as addition, so we'll use the same numbers. 4, and this time we're going to subtract 6. Again, we start with equals. Everything starts with an equals sign. We cannot do anything at all unless we have an equals sign. If we remove the equals sign, it does nothing. So I can click on these, but do nothing. But if I've got an equals sign, it is then saying equals, tell me what to do. That equals is saying, tell me what to do. Okay, we will take 4 and we'll minus 6. There you go. And that's the equation, 4 minus 6. And we all know 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Let us do it a slightly different way. We'll put 4 down here again. We'll put 6 here, because with Excel, you are in control. So again, equals. So it's saying equals, tell me what to do, equals. So I want to take 6 now, so we're going to go B, column B, row 7, column B, and we're going to go minus 4. So we don't have to, we just look and do what we want to do. Carriage return, 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. It is that easy. We can even do decimals. 0.657, 1.354. Okay? Again, equals. Tell me what to do. I want you to take 0.657 and subtract 1.34 from it. And there we go. Minus 0.697. How easy can that be? That is so simple. We're going to do the same again. So we put 0.657 and 1.354. 1.354. Okay? And this time we're going to do the same. We're going to go equals. Tell me what to do. That's what that equals means. Tell me what to do. I want you to take 1.354, which is B9, and remove 0.657, which is column A9. There you go. It is that simple. And you can just carry on. You can mix addition and subtraction. You can do anything you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these out. Okay, I'm just going to delete those so that we can do a little bit more. Okay, so that was 4 and 6, and now we're going to do a 1.3, 1.4 and 2.7. Okay, and this time it's the same. Equals. Tell me what to do. So this is what I would like you to do. I'd like you to take the number 6, which is column B, row 7. I'd like you to add column B, row 8. And I'd then like you to subtract column A, row 7. And I would like you to then add column A, row 8. And there you go, 6 point. So you can mix. If you look up here at the formula bar, you will see B7 plus B8 minus A7 plus A8. You can mix and match additions and subtractions. This is all we're doing for today. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, because I'm going to bring out a series of videos. This is just addition and subtraction. The next one will be multiplication and division. After that, we're going to mix all together. We're going to use brackets. We're going to use everything you can think. We're going to extend and extend and extend until we get you to feeling totally comfortable about using Excel. Thank you for the day, and I will see you next time.